Namaste, children.
Children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Isn't it, children? Yes. So, how was the last week? Have you all done the project? Yes, I hope you all done good. Okay. So, before moving to today's class, let us do one activity. Okay, children? When I say one, you have to jump one time. Okay. When I say two, you have to jump two times. Okay. When I say three, you have to jump three times. Okay. Can you all do now? Yes. One. Yes. Two. Yes. And then three. I hope you all done. Okay. Let us move to today's class.
Okay, so today we have our ICT class, isn't it, children? Yes, so last week you had the project. Okay, so from this week we are going to learn the lesson. Okay, so what's the lesson name? Files and folders. Okay, so our units. So what we are going to learn from this lesson? How, how to group related objects and what is file and then what is folders. Okay, so before moving to the concept, we already know the computer stores the many informations, isn't it? So if you want to play any song, where that song will be? It will be in the computer. Okay, so how it is stored? Can you know anything about that? No, we didn't know. So that alone we are going to learn how we are storing that one and how we are properly arranging everything on the desktop. Okay, so one more thing, in your home, all of our home we are having system, that is computer, isn't it, children? Yes, so your father will store your photos in it. Okay, so if he opens the computer, suddenly he will open the photos, all will be in desktop. It is like that? No, it will be in some other place. Okay, your father will double click that one and it will show the photos in it, isn't it, children? Yes, so how we are going to create the place for the for storing that particular photos or anything else? Okay, that alone we are going to learn from this lesson. Okay, here also you may see in the picture here, you can able to see this type of icon in your system also. Okay, so that is nothing but folder icon. Okay, so what is that name it had? T photos. Okay, they are having some photos in it. Okay, what if what how many times we have to click to open any icon? Double click, isn't it? So if he double clicks, the photos are shown. Okay, so how we are going to create that folder and how we are going to store that particular file, everything we are going to learn from this lesson. So before that we are going to learn the how to group related objects. Okay, so a folder helps you to organize files on your computer. Okay, so files in the sense nothing but pictures, songs, movies. Okay, how we are going to organize these files? Okay, so before that, one boy is here like you. Okay, so he is carrying the school bag. Okay, what you will be having in the school bag? Notebooks or textbooks, everything. Okay, can we keep these notebooks and textbook in your lunch bag? Yes? No. Why we should not? In lunch bag we have to keep only the lunch box. Okay. And in the school bag you have to keep only the books. That is the appropriate place for keeping the things. Okay. So how we relate these files and folders? The files, the school bag is act as like a folder. Okay, and the books are like files that picture, songs or movies. So we have to align that files into a folder. Okay, we have to arrange the files into a folder. Okay, so next here some children are went for picnic. Okay, you can able to see a box and it named as a food. So what they are keeping inside? The food. Okay, so can they keep these food items in some other box? Okay, in some other games box or any other place? No. So this is the correct place where we can keep these food items. So if we arrange like that, what will happen? You can easily identify the things in it. Okay, for that purpose only they are labeled as the food box. Okay, so for your picnic we will place all our food items in one box and games in another box. So how we relate these files and folders? The box are like folders and the contents are like files. Okay, then you can able to see the pictures like kitchen, study room and bedroom. You and your mother are going to a supermarket and you are buying some groceries for your home. Okay, and you also buying some books also. Okay, story books. Okay, and also some fruits, everything. Okay, after coming to home, what you will do? You will all take the things and you will keep the things in it. Okay, in their place. Okay, can we keep the vegetables in the bedroom? Can we keep? No. Can we keep the story books in your bedroom? No. Can we keep the bed in your study room? No. These are not the correct place to keep the things. Okay, in kitchen we have to keep the kitchen items only, and in study room we have to keep the books alone, and in bedroom we have to keep the bed and any other things. Okay, so we should not uh, keep the things in the some other place, that is irrelevant. Okay, so similarly, on a computer, files are used to store songs, pictures, etc. Okay, and these files can be organized and saved in different folders. Okay, so that alone we are seeing today. Okay, so we are store the uh, files. Okay, and we will keep in a place in our computer. Okay, so files are used to store songs, pictures, and folders allow us to keep related files together, make it easy to locate important files quickly. The same examples I will say now itself. Your father will have your photos and he will keep it in a place. Okay, whether he will give the folder name as photos or videos. It is a photo means he will keep photos only. Okay, so how, why he is keeping the folder name as photos? Then only he can quickly find out the photos. Okay, so from the examples we have learnt that we have to create the folder and give the name related to the file. Okay, so if it is a video means we should not give the folder name as what? Photos. Okay, it is not the correct name. Okay, so you have to give, if it is a photos means you have to give photos folder. If it is a video means you have to give video folder. Okay, and if it is a music means you have to give a music folder. Okay, so this is the concept of files and folders. We are going to store pictures or music in the desktop, and we are giving a space to store that files. Okay, so this is the desktop. Here you can able to see the folders, that yellow color image is there, no, that is the folder. Okay, what is that folder name? Basic 256. Okay, so likewise you can able to see the files also, that is photos files behind it. Okay, so this what the files and folders will be on the desktop. So today's class we have learnt what is files and folder, how we have to organize the things. Okay, we have to organize the objects related to their group. Okay, for example, if I want you to arrange the things, you have three boxes, one is vegetable, one is fruit, and one is games box. Okay, I have given you some things like papaya and tomato and football. So where you will drop the tomato? In fruits box or vegetable box? In vegetable box, that is the tomato is related to the vegetable, so there only you will put the tomato. Okay, and where you will drop the papaya? In the fruit box or games box. In fruit box, that is related to fruits. Okay, and then you have the football, we already know that is related to game, and you will drop in the games box. Okay, like this only you have to relate the objects in their group, and you have to give the folder name related to the file what we are saving. Okay, here you can able to see the activity. This activity will be available in your ICT book. Okay, lesson number 4. Okay, files and folders. So Jodi wants to arrange the files on her desktop. Help her by joining the right file to the right folder. You have two folders, one is photos and the next one is song. Okay, you have to draw a line to which one is belong to which folder. Okay, you have photos, image and songs icons, so where you have to put, you have to arrange it. Okay, next there are two rabbits went on a picnic. You can able to see it is late now and they are going back home. Okay, all the games and food items are scattered, and you are going to help them to organize and pack everything neatly in their baskets. Okay, two baskets are available, one is food and next one games. Okay, so draw the line that shows to that box. Okay, and otherwise you can write on above the things. If it is belong to food means write F, or if it is belong to games means you can write G. Okay, that will be easy in your ICT book. Okay, I hope today's class was very useful and interesting, isn't it children? Yes, so what we have learned from the today's class, we know how to relate the objects, how to relate the group the related objects, and we also learned the concept of files and folder. Okay, and finally, thank you students. Let you see you on the next week with a new topic.